Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friend, today we are going to discuss about section 76 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 76 of the Indian Penal Code is based on the principle ignorance of fact excuses, but ignorance of law does not excuses. So we will understand what is given in the Bare Act, we will analyze it and we will understand it with example. But before that, I want to request all of you that if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get the notification of all our updates. I also request you to please visit our YouTube channel page, because there are lots of categories there in both the language Hindi and English over different issues like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC. So please check it out. Very knowledgeable and informative videos are there. Now coming back to the topic. Section 76 of the Indian Penal Code is based on the principle ignorance of fact excuses, but ignorance of law does not excuses. It means if somebody done any offense, if he is not acquainted with the fact, then it is not an offense. But if somebody does something and says that he don't know there is a law exists which is against it, then this is not an excuse. So before analyzing it, let's understand what is given under the section 76 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 76 of the Indian Penal Code says, act done by a person bound by mistake of fact, believing himself bound by law. Nothing is an offense which is done by a person who is or who by a reason of a mistake of fact and not by the reason of a mistake of law in good faith believes himself to be bound by law to do it. It means if a person who is a law-abiding person does something in a good faith that he is obeying the law of the land, but due to some mistake of fact or due to some ignorance of fact, he does something which is totally wrong or which could amount to an offense. But this act would not be treated or he would not be liable for any kind of punishment. For example, if the court passes an order to arrest a person, Mr. C, and the police officer A, in execution of this order, went to arrest Mr. C, but somehow somebody told him that Mr. Z is Mr. C, and after getting assured he arrested Mr. Z. So in this case, Mr. A would not be, the police officer Mr. A would not be charged with any offense like wrongful confinement, because he went there in a good faith to arrest the accused. However, he arrested someone else. It was because of ignorance of fact and not because of ignorance of law. So that is why he has not committed any offense. So he is completely innocent. So this is about section 76 of the Indian Penal Code. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues, and also let me know with your views and opinion on this video. So I will be coming again with another video. Till then, take care. Namaskar.